This course is not just about investing in stocks. It's about emulate and exceed the benefits of real estate without actually owning any physical property. Here are some reasons why investing in monthly dividend stocks is superior to real estate investment. The first one is lower barriers. Investing in stocks offers you an incredible advantage by allowing you to start with smaller amounts of capital. You can enter the market with ease and grow your wealth steadily. In real estate, you need to start with a big capital, and you most likely will need to take a loan for buying a property. The second is liquidity and flexibility. Stocks are completely liquid. You can buy or sell any stocks with a few clicks anytime. Real estate is not liquid. It's not that simple to sell a property. The third is diversification. Investing in stocks allows you to spread your investments across a wide range of companies and industries to reduce risk and to maximize potential returns. When you invest in a property, you are exposed to the specific risk of this property, and even if you have more than one property, you are still exposed only to the real estate industry. The fourth is passive income. Monthly dividend stocks can allow you to sit back, relax, and watch the cash flow from your investments. With regular dividend payments, you can create a steady stream of passive income, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your investment without the headaches of property management that comes with real estate. Managing real estate forces you to deal with the property and with the tenants, so it's not passive. The fifth is time. In real estate, you have time-consuming tasks of property maintenance, tenant management, and legal complexities associated with real estate. With stocks, it's simple. After you conduct your research and buy the stocks, you have nothing much to do other than watching your passive income and increasing it by repeating the process. The last one is freedom. Owning stocks doesn't force you to be in any specific location, and you don't need to deal with anyone. When you have a property, you are bonded to a specific location, or if someone else manages it, you are bonded to that person. You are also obligated to find a tenant, and you take a risk that the tenant won't pay.